High Flight by John Gillespie Magee. Oh, I have slipped the surly bonds of earth, and danced the skies on laughter's silvered wings. Sunward I've climbed, and joined the tumbling mirth of sun-split clouds, and done 100 things you have not dreamed of, wheeled and soared and swung high in the sunlit silence. Hov'ring there, I've chased the shouting wind along, and flung my eager craft through footless halls of air. Up, up the long delirious burning blue, I've topped the windswept heights with easy grace, where never lark nor ever eagle flew. And, while with silent lifting mind I've trod the high untrespassed sanctity of space, put out my hand and touch the face of God.